Hello and welcome to my course, Ninja Self-Defense for Peaceful People. So if you're willing to learn about self-defense and you're peaceful, you definitely came to the right place. My name is Chris, welcome. So what can you expect to learn from this course? Well, you will learn how to punch effectively, you will learn how to kick effectively, you will learn how to move around naturally, keep your balance at all times, you will learn how to set yourself free from any type of grab. You will learn how to dispose of an opponent that is larger, faster, more aggressive than you are. So all in all, you will learn all the basic techniques and rules of self-defense in a very, very effective, simple, bonehead simple, actually, manner. So I'm really excited that you're here. I hope you're excited too. Let's get to it. First of all,